The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas, eastern Angelina County in eastern Texas, St. Augustine County in eastern Texas, Sabine County in eastern Texas, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southeast of Martinsville to near Ebenezer, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milam, St. Augustine, Hemphill, Pineland, Rosevine, Macune, Chireno, Broaddus, Sexton, Fairmount, Bronson, McElroy, Yellow Pine, and Nacogdoches. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Texas: Angelina, Nacogdoches, Sabine, and St. Augustine.